here. Wow. All for your baking needs. Okay. Yes.
Ito, Mark. Wait, wala tayong pasalubong kayo. Can you get anything from here that you can consume? Ito po.
Oh, I like this. Look.
No?
Nice, no? Aray ko. How many? Dami. Actually, anim. Oh, ho, ho, ho. $85. $185. And there are how many pieces? Oh. Dami na. So colorful. Ayan ang mga soup for your cookie, baking, para same size. May arapaan. Cookie.
That's it?
Dried orange. Okay. Per box. 9,000 per box. That one per box. This one for the coffee. Let's check. That's 560 per piece. 5,000 per box. How many in a box? That's one question. Grabe na. Ito pala yung mga containers ng mga bakers and coffee shops. Per box. And how many in a box? That's my question. 300 pieces. It's Gallery Stephanie with all the art pieces inside. Wow. Nice. Looky. More days than a year. Cartellino. Cosmic. Swim and float. How nice. Very nice, oh. Very nice. I love art galleries, you know. Don't you? Swim and float. Ito. Nice, oh. Oh, wow. Beautiful art pieces. Kakaiba, no? Siyempre expensive. Ito nakalagay, in this exhibition, vast is the fissure that wounds us from within. Share ka Hukom, Cristina Gamon, Isha, Nagyat, and Fandi Anga. Saputra trades the rifts that tear our lives in personal, emotional, relational ways. Imagine. Kahukom series narrates the binaries that make relationships a complex terrain, while Gamon and Nagyat plunge us into the intimate abysses of personal reflection and self-discovery. In both internal and collectivist vantages, Saputra turns to acts that facilitate healing and living. By probing these cracks in relationships, identities, and life ways, the artists simultaneously locate the possibility of their mending, of the prospect of wholeness despite the cosmic chasms that mar our being. Exhibition notes by Cheska Santiago. Oh, grabe. Look at the gallery. This is Gallery Stephanie here at Shangri-La. But most of all, I like this pearl in a shell, in a mother of pearl. Look at that. Nice. nice. Kevin Balboa. Objective. Ooh, there's a bit of realism here. So, starting as a pop surrealist, kaya pala, surrealist artist, Kevin Balboa, 1991, has consistently narrated the bizarre in the everyday objects. From giving a nod to pop culture icons, Balboa has created his own characters with seemingly lives of their own as they evolve, transfiguring into whole other species on the canvas. Look, so alive when you look at it. Tingnan niyo po, may realism siya kasi surrealist artist naman siya. A graduate of Fine Arts from University of Santo Tomas. I like that pearl. Look! Grabe ang luster niya, oh. Parang tunay na perlas. Perlas ng silanganan. See? Ganda-ganda niya, no? This is the artist, si Kevin Balboa, which is 2024 niya na painting. Tingnan niyo naman. So, makikita niyo po ito sa Stephanie Gallery o Gallery Stephanie dito po sa Shangri-La. Okay, objective is the title. The texts were given by Mars Aglipay. Ayun po sa kabila. Oh. Very nice gallery. Very simple. Ang ano talaga sa mga interiors ng bahay. Yan. Ang mga art. Swim and float. Guys, ang Padre Pio na chapel dito po sa Shangri-La.